welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, today we are on a medium level HTML tutorial, and we are going to discuss about coding tutorial about HTML. This episode will be just around 10. Okay, we will just discuss about 10 intermediate topic HTML. Okay, at first we have here form validation attribute, data attribute, area attribute, HTML5 type of form method and action, HTML5 semantic structure or picture element responsive image, HTML5 audio attribute, and HTML5 video attribute. We will just discuss about this. Now let's just begin about form validation attribute. At first, HTML5 provide the built-in form validation attribute like required pattern and min length to enforce the input rule. Now form label for email label. Now input type email required. Okay, button type submit. Now you can see here is the form validation where email is here. Here you can see then email is required when you type the email. Then if you didn't type anything, then it should display the method as the email required. Now the button is submit. Okay, here you have submit button. Here you can see enclosed on the double bracket. Okay, now here note, use clear error message via JavaScript for better use. Okay, data attribute, custom data attribute store the extra information on element for JavaScript or CSS. Now div data, info data, style, background. Okay, now color also, content, div also. Now script console.doc or document.query selector also div, dataset info log extra also. Now script also content. Now use lowercase data for attribute name. Okay, hope all of you have understood about this. Now third topic is about area attribute. Area attribute helps us to enhance the accessibility by providing the role and state for assertive technology. Now button area label close dialog, role button also. Now close button, use area only when the native HTML is insufficient. Now next is about HTML input type means entering the number. Okay, here HTML5 input, here we can select the birthday and email. Now we have to type the email. Now this is my email and I have selected my birthday. Here you can see birth date. Okay, here we have to select birth date, then this one will be email. Now browser support the various tests across the device also. Okay, now five number is about the form method and action. The method get post and action attribute define how and where data is sent. Now form action submit, method post also. Now input type text name username also, button submit button also. Now form, now here you can see and submit your form. Okay, now note, we have to post our sensitive data to avoid the URL exposure. Okay, hope all of you have understood about this. Now HTML5 semantic structure, semantic element like main, article and section improve the structure and accessibility. Header h1, site title h1 also, header main section article content. Here now site title is an h1 tag, so it has quite a high length on its font, but here section we have to type something here. So this one is section. Okay, section on section we have to type some content that we have to include here. If article is needed, then article will be here. We have to avoid the div element when the semantic will be applied. Okay, now we are on the seventh tutorial of intermediate HTML practice. Now picture element. Okay, picture element means that when you try to include the picture on website, then you have to do that. This picture tag provides the responsive image source based on the screen size and the format. Source media max with 600 pixel. src set small.jpg means small.jpg is our source folder, so from where we have to extract image source also alter responsive image. Now picture used for additive image delivery. Now 40 responsive image, the SCRC set and size attribute optimize the image for different screen resolution. Image SRC default.jpg, SRC set small.jpg 500 watt, large.jpg. Okay, now size also max point height responsive. Now next one is about the HTML5 video attribute. Video attribute means loading some video on our HTML document. Here you can see when you set the width means that horizontal line, and height means that vertical line. Here you can see width is 320 pixels and height is 240 pixels. Means control loop muted means this video will play automatically when it is on loop, and video source is here. So here you can see source src means video.mp4 means we have taken its source from our source computer. Also avoid autoplay without muted for better UX. Okay, now the last one is HTML5 audio attribute. We are going to see audio attribute helps to load the audio image. Here this one is source and this one is audio attribute. Hope you guys now this is the loop format, so this is played automatically. Okay guys, have a great day. Now this was for today.